Welcome to Terra Price Prediction 2025. Now, our prediction is based on technical and fundamental analysis. Now, Binance founder CZ is strongly supporting Terra. In fact, he owns almost 50% of Terra tokens, and also he has proposed 1.2% bond in every buy and sell on Terra. Now, Terra currently have over 6 trillion coins circulating out there. That is to say, Terra needs to bond trillions of Terra coins. Also, Wells has been buying Terra and Wells have strongly supporting Terra. And Terra last week signed a lot of almost 2 to 3 partnerships with different companies. Despite what happened to Terra, we are expecting the price of Terra to increase before the end of 2025. Now, before I explain more about Terra, let's quickly jump into Terra price prediction in 2025. Now, some experts believe Terra is going to hit 0.0035, but based on our prediction, Terra is going to hit 0.0075. That is about almost 8,086%. That is to say, $100 investment on Terra right now is going to return over $8,000. And if you have $1,000, you are going to be making about $80,000. Well, like we normally tell people that crypto industry, invest money you can afford to lose all this. Now, even if you invest $10, you are going to make over $800. That is still a good amount of profit. Now, in 2025, we are expecting the price of Terra to hit at least 0.0075. Okay, now if Terra goes ahead to reach that level, so many people will make money from Terra. Okay, and Terra has been marked to be the next Shiba Inu because Terra actually Shiba Inu have about 4 zeros and Terra have about 3 and 4 zeros, but due to what happened to Terra, people are seeing Terra that is going to kind of increase in price and reach the level of that of market cap which Shiba Inu is currently trading at. Shiba Inu market cap is over 6 billion and Terra is over $700 million. That to say, we are expecting the price of Terra Classic to actually ranked among the top 3 or top 5 crypto coins. That's in 2025 with the highest market cap. If a lot of people are going to start investing more in Terra, trying to take the advantage, and also Binance founder is strongly behind this coin, and then expect a massive rise in Terra. But please kindly know that this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Once again, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.